Retiring on dividends in just 10 years might sound like a fantasy, but it can be done. And by the way, you don't need a huge inheritance or advanced financial training, just the proper financial education, a disciplined mindset, and a solid investing plan. By focusing on quality dividend investments and understanding how compounding works in the stock market, you can turn small, consistent contributions into real financial freedom. In this video, we'll walk through a step-by-step strategy for building a robust dividend portfolio that steadily grows income while protecting long-term wealth. You'll see how a small daily investment using this portfolio can grow into a multi-million-dollar valuation, even starting from scratch. This is more than just investing, it's personal development for your financial life. By the end, you'll understand how to make your money work for you, create reliable passive income, and move closer to the ultimate goal, retiring on your own terms through the power of dividends. Before we continue, please note that we are not financial advisors. The content on this channel is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended to provide investment advice or recommendations regarding specific securities or investments. Always conduct your own research or consult a qualified financial professional before making any investment decision. Every investment involves risk. Welcome to Investments Mindset, where wealth builders come to get inspired. Let's dive in. Starting your investment journey from zero can feel overwhelming, but the truth is, everyone starts somewhere. The difference between those who build wealth and those who don't isn't luck or background, it's action. The key to retiring on dividends and achieving financial freedom lies in developing consistent financial habits and finding creative ways to fund your first investment. But the good news is that there are several ways you could consider today. Whether it's freelancing online, tutoring, or walking dogs, these opportunities let you turn your free time into financial momentum. Imagine earning an extra $100 a week. That's $400 a month. Cash you could channel directly into a dividend-focused ETF, accelerating your path toward long-term investing goals. The beauty of side gigs isn't just the extra cash, it's the mindset they build. You develop discipline, consistency, and the confidence that comes from taking control of your finances. Each hour spent tutoring, writing, or freelancing becomes more than income. It's a step toward your freedom. And here's the best part. You don't have to overhaul your life overnight. Start small, save a little, invest regularly, and watch your portfolio grow. Over time, those small, consistent contributions compound into something powerful, a stream of dividend income that can eventually replace your paycheck. If side hustles aren't your thing, or your schedule's already packed, no problem. There's still an effortless way to start investing without lifting a finger. Enter micro-investing apps like Acorns and Stash. These platforms turn your everyday spending into automatic wealth building. Every time you swipe your card, the app rounds up your purchase to the nearest dollar and invests the spare change for you. For instance, if you buy a $3.40 coffee, that extra 6 cents goes straight into your investment account. Buy lunch for $9.25, another 75 cents gets invested automatically. It's invisible investing, happening quietly in the background while you live your life. Here's where it gets interesting. With 30 purchases a month, you're investing around $15 a month. That's $180 a year without trying. Make 40 purchases, and you're at $240 a year. Go up to 60 purchases, and you're investing $360 annually, just from spare change. Add even a small monthly contribution, and that snowball starts rolling fast. Combine this with dollar cost averaging, which simply means investing a set amount regularly, and you have a strategy that eliminates emotional decision-making and steadily builds wealth through market ups and downs. Over time, these small, consistent actions can snowball into something life-changing. So even if you're starting from zero, every coffee, every swipe, every small purchase can push you closer to your goal. Stick around, because by the end, I'll show you exactly how these small steps could grow into a portfolio worth over $2 million, and the financial independence that comes with it. So, let's say you've built your starter fund and committed to investing monthly. Now comes the big decision. Should you invest in individual dividend stocks or go with dividend-focused ETFs? Both can lead you toward financial freedom and the dream of retiring on dividends, but each offers a different path depending on your investing style. Let's start with individual dividend stocks. This option gives you complete control. You handpick companies you believe in, businesses with strong fundamentals, and a history of paying reliable dividends. You could consider sectors such as utilities, consumer goods, or real estate, where demand remains strong regardless of market cycles. Utilities provide essential services like electricity and water that people use regardless of the state of the economy. Real estate investment trusts, or REITs, collect steady rental income from apartments, offices, and shopping centers, often passing much of that cash flow on to investors through generous dividends. If you enjoy researching companies and want a say in what you own, individual dividend stocks let you build a customized portfolio that reflects your values and confidence in specific businesses. Now, here's where things get exciting. Whether you choose stocks or ETFs, you can supercharge your growth with a dividend reinvestment plan, or DRIP. With the dividend reinvestment plan, every dividend you earn automatically buys more shares, which then pay you even more dividends next time around. It's the power of compounding in action, the snowball effect that turns modest beginnings into massive wealth. Over the years, your portfolio grows faster and faster, all without you lifting a finger. To help Bobby reach his income goal within the next 10 years, I've designed a powerful, diversified dividend portfolio that balances stability and growth. This portfolio combines the best of both worlds: steady income through reliable dividends and strong potential for long-term capital appreciation. Each investment was handpicked to provide balance, resilience, and the compounding strength needed to accelerate your path to financial freedom. Before we continue, if you find value in this video, even just a little, please subscribe and hit the like button to help us continue to provide more insightful and educational videos. Your support is highly appreciated. Thank you. Here's what this smart income-focused strategy looks like. 1. The Invesco S&P Midcap Quality ETF, ticker symbol XMHQ. This ETF anchors the portfolio with exposure to high-quality mid-cap companies known for consistent earnings and disciplined management. Next, CubeSmart, ticker symbol CUBE. This real estate investment trusts brings the dependable cash flow of the self-storage sector, an industry that thrives in both good and bad economic times. Next is Prologis, ticker symbol PLD. Prologis is a global leader in logistics real estate, benefiting directly from e-commerce growth and supply chain expansion. It has a solid dividend yield, strong dividend growth history, and exceptional 10-year price appreciation, making it a cornerstone for stability and expansion. Next is Wendy's, ticker symbol WEN. Wendy's represents a classic consumer staple with reliable cash flow and a shareholder-friendly dividend policy. And finally, Regions Financial Corporation, ticker symbol RF. This stock adds exposure to the financial sector, an essential component of any balanced income portfolio with steady dividends and attractive growth potential. When we blend these 5 investments, the results are striking. The portfolio generates an average dividend yield of 4.87%, an impressive dividend growth rate of 19.4%, and a 10-year average share price appreciation of 9.22%. This balance of yield, growth, and appreciation creates a powerful compounding engine that not only pays you regularly, but also grows your wealth behind the scenes. Let's break down what this looks like over time, and how the magic of consistency, reinvested dividends, and compounding truly transform a small daily investment into a life-changing portfolio. After the first year, your total investment is straightforward. You've contributed $7,200 based on $20 a day. The numbers don't look dramatic yet, but the key here is momentum. You've started the habit, and every dollar you've invested is now a seed that will continue to grow, especially with dividends being reinvested automatically through DRIP. After 5 years, things start to take shape. Your total contributions add up to $36,000, but your portfolio is now worth roughly $54,900. That's nearly $19,000 in growth, a mix of price appreciation and reinvested dividends doing their job quietly in the background. At this point, you're beginning to see the compounding effect kick in, where your money is working for you even when you're not adding more. Fast forward 10 years, and the real power of time becomes clear. Bobby's consistent $20 a day investment has grown into an impressive $186,400 portfolio. He's contributed $72,000, yet compounding and reinvested dividends have added over $114,000 in profit. His portfolio is now generating around $17,500 in dividends each year, meaning Bobby's investments are officially paying him. But here's where it gets exciting. If he stays the course for 20 years, the snowball becomes unstoppable. His total contributions would reach just $144,000, but the portfolio's potential value could soar to about $2.97 million. That's over $2.8 million in compounded growth, fueled by time, reinvestment, and steady contributions. You can only imagine what Bobby's yearly and monthly income could be at this point. That's the power of disciplined investing. No lottery ticket, no get-rich-quick scheme, just the consistent habit of putting your money to work through dividend-paying assets and letting compounding do the rest. Every $5, $10, or $20 invested daily isn't just money. It's time, freedom, and the promise of financial independence growing quietly in the background. If you're serious about building real wealth, then consider this channel your financial gym. Every video is a workout for your portfolio, your mindset, and your money skills. If today's video helped you level up your financial education, even just a little, please smash that like button and subscribe so we can continue to grow and build wealth the smart way. Please note that we are not financial advisors. The content on this channel is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended to provide investment advice or recommendations regarding specific securities or investments. Always conduct your own research or consult a qualified financial professional before making any investment decision. Every investment involves risk. Click on the next video on your screen. Thank you, my friend.